and this is Chris. Today I will show you our new product, Smart Series compressor. This model power range from 4 kW to 37 kW. Supports 4 kW, 5.5 kW, 7.5 kW. Low power air compressors, 3-phase and single-phase. Use MAM 617 controller, large screen.
6070 controller.
Okay.
Can be touch. This can be touch screen.
Smart touch screen. Same inverter. You can choose Zoncn and Inovance inverter.
You can check our inside, our motor and air end.
Use integrated motor, energy saving and power saving, high cost performance. Use both eye end. You can choose Hanbell AC AH end.
Hanbell, you can choose Hanbell AC AH, depending on your need.
OPPAIR supports different configurations.
And also we can OEM color. You can choose yellow, green, red, red and blue, and other orange, and other color.
The air compressor need to connected to air tank.
Air tank, we have many models for air tank depending on your needs.
And
all we can provide.
If you want to high air quality, you can add a air dryer and precision filter.
If you need pure air, you can add one air dryer and a precision filter or light filter, like this one. We open for you, like this one, and connect to automatic dry valve. Wait. Like this can connect. And connect by this tuber.
And through tuber connect air compressor and air dryer.
Air compressor, air dryer, precision filter, and then air tank. Total complete we have.
Support customized color, logo, configuration, sheet model. We have a professional designer and can provide a complete design solution. OPPAIR is looking for global distribution. Welcome to inquiry.